Pacie.
Hi.
Hey, Pacers. Today is March 8th, and we're back for Pacie's birthday countdown.
It's almost my birthday.
Yes, it's almost your birthday. We have probably, about 18 days?
Wait, what? That many?
Yep, because 18 plus 8 equals?
26.
Very good. Alrighty, so we're going to continue her Ryan's World road trip. It's exclusively available at Amazon. All right, Pacie, which of these packages you're going to open a new window from?
Okay, tell me which one I'm going to pick, okay, Pacers? Any, mini, miny, mo. Catch your tail, buy it, so let it go, let it go. Any, mini, miny, mo.
Alrighty, put the other ones to the side and then let's get opening.
Okay, which one should I open? So far, this one has a lot of holes poking out. So far.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, because of
Okay. Ready?
and this one. Smash, smash, smash. I accidentally did two instead.
Okay, just do one.
Okay. Oh my god, really nice purple hair.
Oh, no.
He gone turbo.
Okay, come on, open them up.
Can I just show you something really close?
Hold on.
Just put that down. Oh, it's backwards.
Hold it up. Ooh.
I got that.
All right, Pace, show your Pacers. Ooh, I think that's not. Oh, it is purple hair. I thought it was a purple cap. All right, let's find out where he's from.
Can I just show you something really quick?
Yeah, sure. What's up?
He has a little like.
What? Show it up here to the Pacers. They can't see.
He has little things like yeah.
Oh, like a little bracelet.
Okay.
Cool.
That really fun. Oh, bingo! Found him. I hope.
Ohio. Ohio. Put him there. Cool. He is so cute. You like it?
Yeah, he's gone turbo.
It says rock and roll.
I know, but I'm just saying that turbo.
Alrighty, friends. Is there anything else you want to tell your Pacers before we go?
So, I hope you stay safe. And, thank you everyone watching my video. Bye-bye. This is, thank you for subscribe. Click the bell, please. Ryan, stay on.